with a lightning, babes. 50x, everybody. That's number one. For the first column of the line section, 372 winners total, 187 of you placed straight up head on it. Got a 50x. Cutsing, babes. 15,000 for Bloom, Maki, D.I., Day, and J9 top winners. Congratulations, everybody. Once again, that straight up it needs to be placed to win the lightnings. The bets are closed, thank you. Good luck, everybody. Let's find out what are going to be the linings for this round. Once the linings can appear, 2 to 9 chain linings can appear as well. Up to 10 linings per round in total. That's 8 and 1200 each. And 4 chain linings, 1600 for Jack. Go back. Number 34, 3,000 first column winner for line section hit. My almost to 414 winners. That's June, Sammy, RD's 2, and D top winner list. More than 400 win for June top winner this round. Betting time's open again with free buddy. Place your bet. Only by placing the bet you can join us for the new round. But you can place a straight bet to win the linings or inside bets. Outside bets can be placed as well if you want to, everybody. No more bets. Thank you. Good luck. What do you think of cereal, ladies and gentlemen? Would you call cereal a sweet? 2 lightings, 25 and 32, 200x 32. Best of luck to you. Winning outcome is number 16. Second up and first column win, everybody tier section. 445 winners total. Drew, 100K, Cersei, H, and Ad. Top winners now. Congratulations, everybody. No, ladies and gentlemen, please with us for the new round. Cold list number 0, green, 29, 26 black, 14, 27 red. On a hot list 7, 21 red, 13 black, 36 red, and 10 black. And the bets are closed again. Thank you. Good luck, everybody. And yes, 1 to 5 landings, 50 to 500x multiplies on them. 3 of them, 4, 5, and 8. That's 100x each. And 4 landings are 5 of them. And yeah, 16, 21, 31, 35, 36. Good luck. $12 red is the winning outcome. 0 spiel section, first doesn't hit column hit. Another even number. 426 winners. Blue man, 7,200, nearly 2,000 for white tonight. Gold toasty, and that's top as well. Betting time's open, everybody. I told you, please. Pete says, what is the maximum multiplier you can win this game? Pete, the maximum multiplier to hit is a 2,000x. Let's go, thank you. As I said, 1 to 5 lightnings shown every round. 2 to 9 chain lightnings can appear. That means up to 10 lightnings per round. Any of those lightnings could have a double strike on it, and double strike brings it upwards to 2,000. 632, 100x each. Good luck. Number 10, everybody. First dozen, first column hit. Here section. Third hottest number in the wheel. 378 winners total. Ross, Lee, Surrey, John, and Saeed top winners right now. And that's already 4 even winning outcomes in a row, buddy. Yeah, the multipliers with a double strike goes from 600 up to 2,000x. So there's any kind of multiplier before on it. Let's go, thank you. So the multipliers, let's go. From 50 to 500x gets hit by the double strike and gets up from 600 to up to 2,000. 3 linings, 8, 15, and 19. 100x, 15, and 19. And also 14 linings. 150x from number 5. And 15 hits double strike. 600x. Woo! Winning outcome on this round is 30 the red. 30,000 column win, everybody tier section. 437 winners total. Another even winning outcome. 1,000 win for SH. We got ZZ, winner, Julian, Drew, top winners as well. Betting time's open every day. Place it up. And purchase bet again. Pearl, hello. Hi, everybody. Nice to see you at Extreme Lightning Roulette, ladies and gentlemen. How's your day? Let's go. What is your favorite movie genre, though? Which kind of movies do you like to watch? 3 lightning, 7, 9, 16, 100x on 9. Good luck, everybody. Number 28 winning up next. Another even number 6 rounds in a row. Third out in first column when everybody wins in zero section. And congratulations on the winners. Thasvi, SH, Quinn, Jay, and Shivi. Staff winner 600 for staff winner and strong. Congratulations to you. And again, everybody, best luck to you. Trigger that needs to be placed in the lightnings. Up to 10 lightnings per round can be shown. That's closed. That means lightnings plus the chain lightnings. So 10 lightnings in total combined. 3 lightnings now, 11, 23, and 35. 300x 23. That's 4 chain lightnings, 100x 16, 139, 50x 20. 3 double strikes. 1,500 for 23, 21, and 20 with 600x. Woo! That's a 1, everybody. Number 1 is the winning outcome for yourselves in first column Morpholine section, everybody. 355 days total, and doing 12,000, nearly 13,000 hit of 1. Whoa! Second time last in rounds you've had it. Jay, Leo, Queen, and John, top winners, betting times up, and everybody place those bets of yours one more time. Go. Thank you, everybody. No more bets. Good luck to you again. Let's see the lightning, shall we? Something about the... Okay. 2 lightnings, 23, 26, 100x each. Good luck. And also 2 lightnings, 5 of them, 150x and 1. Goodbye. 31 with double strike, 1,000x. Number 11 winning outcome. Praise up in second column when everybody's here. Here's section 447 winners with it. We got Jay, Quinn, Bass, VP, and Cersei. Top winners. Betting time's up, and again, everybody plays the best 40 new round. Participate, be a part of the journey we call Extreme Lightning Roulette. Can sing. Woo! Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, hot list 7 and 21 red, 10, 13 black, 36 red, cold is 0 green, 29, 26 black, best close, and 27 and 14 red. And ladies and gentlemen, Extreme Lightning Roulette is here for you at your service. My name's Leah. 432, 100x 32. Good luck, everybody. Winning Alchemist 23 now to your section. Second dozen and second column win. 487 winners total with it. Bloom 11,000 win for you with number 23, MJ's number, huh? We got Jade, Drew, Julia, Matt, Dr. and welcome everybody to Extreme Lightning Roulette. After betting time closes, 1 to 5 lightnings are shown for you. The bets are closed, everybody, thank you. Also 2 to 9 chain lightnings can appear, and of course, now after 10 lightnings per round, double strikes, increasing multiplied by 2,000. 0, 2, and 32, 158, 32. Good luck to you. That's 36 red, everybody. Highest number on the wheel. There it is in your column and everybody to your section. And second hottest number on the wheel as well. 458 winners with it. JT, Sally, Tor, and John. South winners. Everybody betting time. Knock, knock. What's there? Oh, it's betting time. Let's welcome it. Also, of course, with the autoplay option, everybody, you can also already. Let's go. Place those bets of yours. See my point exactly. Can never know. All right, 3 lightnings shown, 12, 25, and 30, 100x 12 and 25. Good luck, everybody. Winning outcome now, 28 black, fourth and third section, third as in the first column hit. 384 winners total with it. Tazi takes 600 win for you. We get Tor, John, Drew, and G as well, top winners. Betting time's up and everyone. What is your favorite flavor of the ice cream? And do you like it in a cone? Do you like it in a waffle? Do you like it without the cone? That's close. Cone or the waffle? Did you like it just simply? Just the ice cream? How do you like it? 24, 26, 28, 500 26. 24 double strike, 600 Whee! Alright, second dozen, first column, and everybody tier section hit 406 winners total right now with it. Congratulations, all the winners. 2,800 in for RC. We got 400 for Quinn, Lori 200, 300 John, Delphi as well. Top winner list. Betting tabs open. Place it. Once again. When was the last time you went to the zoo, ladies and gentlemen? See the animals. That's close. Thank you, everybody. I took my little sister, like me and my friend, and my sister, 7-year-old one. We all went to the zoo Monday. 7, 12, 20, 31, and 34 for 5 lightnings. Ooh, 100x for 4 of them. 7, 12, 20, and 34, 50x, 31. $25 is the winning outcome. 30,000 first column, Wards and 0 section. 375 days total with it. John, SHD, ZZ, and Mama, top winners. Congratulations. Betting time's happening in. D says hi. Hello, D. How are you doing? It's really nice to see you. How are you doing? Betting time's open though. Place a bet again. Inside bets also is free to place. You can check out the statistics, see the previous round outcomes. Bets are close, thank you. 4 black, 6 red numbers, and last in rounds as well, buddy. But yeah, we went to the zoo, and my favorite, my little sister's favorite animal were the bunnies. 18, 23, 32, 200x, 18. Good luck. Or full end section, second dozen, second column hit, 403 winners with number 14. 403 winners total, 3,300 for RC, DSF with 1,000 win, a baby, Judy, Baldy, top winners as well. Congratulations, everybody. Betting time's open, join us for the new round, participate again, everybody. Still that straight up bets to win the lightnings, and no more bets, thank you. 1 to 5 landings we're going to see right now, 2 to 9 chain landings may appear as well, up to 10 landings per round, and then can be increased with double strike, up to 2,000. 2100x 19 and 3 chain landings, 27 with 50x, 29 30 with 100x. That's number 9, everybody. First dozen, third column, another orphan line section win. 388 winners total as well. May, Kiki, Say True, and B top winners on this round. Congratulations, everybody. Betting time's open. Join us again for the next one. But yeah, my little sister's favorite animals were the bunnies. And I mean, you can see bunnies everywhere, right? That's close, thank you, everybody, good luck. You can see bunnies everywhere. It's not like exotic animal. I thought you'd be interested in giraffes, which I personally really love. But no, it was the bunnies. 4, 13, 26, 32, 132. 6 chain lightning, 26, oh, 2 double stack, 32, 35, 8, 100x, 32. 6 black winning outcome for third column and everybody Oracle in section. 365 winners total with it. And 2,500 win Ursula, 5,000 for V. We got Drew, we got John, and HSD top winner as well. Betting time's open for you. Everybody place the bets. Carrie G, hi. Hello, Carrie G. Hi, Moon. Hi. Goodbye. See you. All right, let's find out. By the way, the last 3 round winning outcomes in a row Oracle in section. 19, 32, 33, 100x for each of them. 32 double strike, 700x. Winning outcome is 0 spiel sections, only green number in the wheel, 0 the green. And also after this spin is the second coldest number in the wheel, before it was the coldest. Congratulations, 240 nominated Z, MV3, Chenny, and Salty top winners. Enjoy. Betting time's open again, everybody. Danzo says you look cute. Thank you, Danzo. Thank you. You look good. You look amazing. How are you doing, Danzo? And ladies and gentlemen, where are you from? Which part of the world? That's good. Which part of the world are you playing from, by the way? Let's go. 6, 15, 21. 200x numbers. 16. Good luck. That's number 28, everybody. 30,000 first column win. Boys in zero section hit, 368 winners total. Stars, SHRC, ZCC, and Quinta winners on the strong. Congratulations, everybody. Main time's open. Join us again. Participating year round. That's 3 black, 1 green, 6 red numbers in the last 10 rounds for a little bit from the statistics. In statistics yourself, you can see also the previous lightning hits. So thank you, everybody. Good luck. Whether it was chain lightning, whether it was a regular lightning, or a double strike. Remember, double strike brings you the biggest multiplier in this game. 2017, 22, 100x each. Best of luck to you. Black, ladies and gentlemen, winning out. Second as the first column into your section, and Hopless, third hottest number in the real. Welcome to the Still 300 KW. That was my first extreme lining of life here, just for you. Just for you and only you. Best to close things, everybody. Greetings again to all the newcomers. Thank you for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about movies. What has been the last 0, 10, and 16? 100x and a 10. Good, like to. That's number 2, everybody. First dozen, second column win. A voice in zero section hit, 323 winners total, 2,000 RC. Toss with 600 Bay, Quinn, and Geo as well, top winners right now. Congratulations, everybody. 5 black, 4 red, 1 green number in the last 10 rounds now. Color black dominating. Also in Hopless, we get 7 and 36, red, 10 and 17 black. Betting time is still open. Join us while there's still time, and bank time's over now. Thank you. Let's see, 1 to 5 lightnings, then 2 to 9 chain lightnings may appear. After chain lightnings going on. Yes, 16, 100x, 29 to 35. 6 hits, double strike, 700x6. That's number 18, second thousand third. Calvin, everybody, voice in zero section. Back to back to back, 3 low winning outcomes in a row. Little straight from statistics as well that you can see for yourself. And bet to close. Thank you, everybody. Good luck. Do you have a favorite flower, ladies and gentlemen? What do you think is the most beautiful flower ever? 14, 15, 30, 35, 150x and 30. Good luck to you. That's number 2. First dozen, second column win, everybody. Second time, last 3 rounds winning outcome. Another low victory. 330 winners with this even number win. Osmond, Pananas, and GYD top winners when it comes up. By the way, Wednesday was good. Did not see any pandas there, though. Yeah, but then again, we spent 3 hours at the zoo, and it was not enough time because we had to go like 4 times to see the bunnies. Clearly had to see the bunnies. We had to go to the bunny place about 4 times to get my little sister when I see her again. That's 1 in 21, 100. I see you. Good luck, everybody. Black, there doesn't win first column hit Hopless. 4th hottest number in real, but sing 366 winners total. Tazi, Show, Banky, Rhea, and SSS. Top winner list. Congratulations. Already 4 even winning outcomes in a round. And even winning streak. Normal bets, thank you, everybody. Yeah, best of luck. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, 1 to 5 landings. Let's find out what they are. It's still the highest time in 2008, but only with a double strike from the occurring numbers. 2, 8, 10, 19, 100x for all. Good luck, everyone. 31 black, everybody. 30,000 first column win. Having 3 from our blind section. 342 winners total. 2,000 or so. Quinn, Drew, Colin, John as well. Top winners. Congratulations, everybody. Being hands off again. Let's enjoy this, my friends. Hi. Thank you for joining us, everybody, at Extreme Lightning Roulette. Another round is here. Thank you so much, everybody. 4, 12, 28, 3 lightning, 20 X on D20, the 8. Best of luck to you, everybody. We got an 11, everybody. I repeat, tier section win number 11. First, that's in second column, 376 winners total with it. Wide with a daily 3,000 win for you. Irina, Easy, Bone, Ryan, South winners as well. Congratulations to you. Betting time is open, everybody. They have to place that straight up bets and win the lightnings. Inside bets, outside bets can be placed as well. Greetings to all the newcomers. Thank you for joining us. And thank you. Bet. So good luck, everybody. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, live and straight. 1, 3, 9, 12, 13, 28, 12, 200. Good luck. 13 with double strike. 600x. That's number 30 right there. Tier section, 30,000 third column, 341 winners total with it. ABC